Are you looking for something tasty to cook while camping but don't want to do a whole bunch of dishes? Are you tired of hot dogs on a stick? Well, we have the perfect meaty recipe for you. Hey guys, Matt from Dudes Camping here with another campfire cooking recipe. Today, it's baby back barbecue ribs, cooked in foil, smoked and semi-steamed, cooked over juniper pine. Because that's all the wood we have out here. Before we get into the recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, hit the subscribe and the bell for notifications so you never miss another one of our videos. It really helps us out a lot. Here's a list of all the things you're going to need. Some baby back ribs, Reynolds wrap non-stick foil, this will keep your meat from sticking, barbecue sauce, and your favorite salty spice to rub all over your meat. And your favorite salty spice to bring out the meaty porkiness of your ribs. First thing you're going to want to do is pull a piece of foil that's about twice the length of your meat. The length of your ribs. Second thing, take your spice and just put it on one side of your meat, on your ribs, and just rub it around. Then put 3 ice cubes on each piece. This will help steam the meat once it's in the fire. Now what you want to do is you want to place this in the center and then fold the foil up in on itself. You're going to create a nice little pouch. On all sides, just kind of fold it in on itself. You don't want it too tight because this is actually going to leave enough room for the ice cubes to steam this. Once the fire's been going for about 30 minutes, you can go ahead and put your meat on the grill. You want to have your grill at least about 2 feet away from the coals. You're going to want to just put wood on the fire liberally. You just want to keep the coals going, but you don't want it to be this hot because you want to just kind of steam it for about 2 hours. So the ribs have been on the heat for 2 hours. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open them up. We're going to put a piece of foil down on the grill, poke some holes into it, and then take the ribs and we're just going to baste them with some of the barbecue sauce and let them brown on either side. We're going to put some wood chips on the bottom here, some wood chips right into the fire, and let the mesquite flavor kind of give it a little bit for maybe about 20 minutes or so, and give it maybe 1 or 2 pieces of wood to just kind of bring the flames up. We want these ribs nice and brown on both sides. So these ribs have been on the flames for about 40 minutes now. Nice light flames, but you can see these things are real crusted, got a real nice glaze to them. So they're pretty much done. We're going to take them in, cut them up, and chow down. That's a nice piece of meat. So we're going to cut it now. Cut it right down here between the bones. That's a big piece. Set it over there. Take some barbecue sauce. Baste it. And let's see what it tastes like. Man, this is amazing. A little messy, but falling off the bones. You slow cook it like this for 2 hours in the foil. Man, this tastes great. Let us know what you think about this video. Share it with your friends, and we'll see you guys on the trail.